Oh, wait a minute! Don't tell me this is the episode where I get to shoot you.
Yes, indeedy.
Damn!
Not with this though.
I've been looking forward to this episode for so long. In today's episode, I'm getting to shoot Barry.
Yeah, just like you see in the movies, we'll be using a SQUIB. But this is a gas-powered SQUIB, so it's a lot safer than using electronically charged. We haven't got an electronically charged license for explosives, believe it or not. But yeah, this is going to be a fun little episode. This is one where we show you more than anything.
It's going to be a wee bit of an experiment, this one. A wee bit different from all the rest of the videos so far. But it's still going to be in slow-mo.
Certainly is.
Let's do it.
Okay, so what we have here is the basic SQUIB system. We've got, this is going to be mounted on the body, like that. We're going to fill this up with fake blood, and then we're going to attach the gas propulsion system to it. Maybe not use that bit. And it's a trigger system, so it's either hidden in your pocket, back pocket, or off screen.
Okay, so then the gas will just shoot through the pipe, making the blood shoot out.
Exactly that.
Okay.
So we're going to have a hole in the t-shirt and this behind it.
So it'll be like in the movies when you see somebody getting shot.
Exactly, just like that.
It's a little blood splat.
We did.
Instead of using CGI. Because we don't use CGI in these videos.
No, it's all done for real.
All
Everything's practical effects in this. So we actually used this entire system for the feature Redwood Massacre, Annihilation, and the film Dark Highlands.
Okay.
It works really well.
Okay.
And with the high-speed cameras, it's going to look fantastic. So let's get crack-a-lacking.
Let's go.
Scissors. Locate the hole. You can key this out, or mask it, or do all sorts of things. So that's the hole done, and we fill it up. I like to use it all. There we go. Now we're ready to arm. It's a SQUIB. Right, safety's on. All we do now is attach this to that, and off we go.
Ah man, I got some blood on me. How the hell did that happen?
Really? You got some blood on you? Well, that was the SQUIB episode.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's good. It's nice to see how things are done practically. You know, it's amazing how things are done in movies.
Yeah, you can do it with CGI, but it's so much more realistic doing it for real.
Oh,
well,
definitely.
semi for real.
And it's a lot cheaper.
It is, yeah. Well, dry cleaning bill won't be.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please keep hitting that thumbs up. Leave some comments below. Let us know exactly what you would like to see next in the next videos. We'll see you then.
We'll certainly try. Right, anyway, shall I put the table away?
No!
Coming up in the next video, more
slow motion.
You don't wanna miss it.